this is Meadows Bee Farm, late August 2021. I brought you out here to show you some of the bounty we have. Well, first of all, I should say, we have experienced a very poor summer for growing conditions. It was first we had a drought, and then we had floods. We've had an enormous amount of rain and very little sun. What does that mean for farmers like us? Well, because we do base our farm on multiple crops and livestock, we have had chickens, sheep, cows, we have milk, and we have abundant amount of food, less so coming from the annual garden because of the rain, and rain brings mildew and other problems. But I brought you out here to show you something that's really special. We made a pile of compost, and on a farm with animals you do get a lot of compost. It's one of the benefits of having sheep and cows is that you get their leaf matter. It is manure, it is their urine, and it's all the dropped hay, straw, and bedding. We pile that up and then we move it. And here we have a pile, I'd say 40 feet wide and about 30 feet long. And in it grew some pumpkin seeds. I would like to show you the pumpkin. I'm going to be picking a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Here we go. This is about the 5th pumpkin we've picked out so far. Now we love to make pumpkin soup here. We make it with a base of chicken broth and vegetables. It's really good for keeping down colds and flus and creating great health. The pumpkin seeds are we now know that they are one of the healthiest parts to eat. So I have no trouble roasting them up and getting the kids at the farm school to eat them and teach them how to make them too. So here we see Rosie. As an integrated farm, we have our cows and our sheep right out here today in our pumpkin patch. I'd like to walk now to the other side and we'll look at the pumpkin patch from the back side. So it's a bit easier to see now that we've had some cold nights and the leaves are starting to die back. You can see all the pumpkins. I've talked often in my other videos about how we really want nutrients in our beds when we're growing something. And this is a case in point that the strongest compost, it should be broken down. It's not fresh compost, but the more nutrients you can add to a pile, the more food will bring itself from the earth. And here at Meadows Bee Farm, that's what we want, is we want a way to get food that's very, very nutritious, but that's easy to grow. So we work with our strengths. Anybody that is interested in starting a farm, I would recommend get a few animals, be it chickens, cows, pigs. Collect the debris. That is your most valuable resource. It cannot be near a river or a stream. We don't want to pollute. We want to take that resource and then we want to turn that into food. Here, this would give us enough food for, I don't know, pumpkin soup twice a week for the year for us and 10 of our neighbors. That's quite a bit of food. Mixed with a few chickens, a little bit of fat, you could see that you could take care of yourself this winter. We don't really know how seasons go, and that is why we plant so much. And this year we've had a lot of abundance, and we're very grateful. But we will not let one pumpkin go to waste. We might carve a jack-o'-lantern or two, but we will make sure we eat those pumpkins as well. So stay tuned, and we will show you more how we are able to provide food for ourselves, our friends, our family, and some neighbors. Thank you.